Okay, I wasn't I picked that thing up, so I figured, well, what's $20? And I saw somebody use these sometime. I can't remember who it was, but what you do is if you have a hole you need to mark, you put these in the holes, like in the screws that you've tapped and drilled, and they have little tips, and you bang the entire piece of work down on it, and it transfers the mark. They're like mark transfer punches, so you can, line things up, put things in, smash it together. So if you tap a hole to, half 13, 5/8 11, 3/4 10, 10 32, yeah, you can help indicate parts very quickly. So it also had these little markers. I don't know where these are from, but these are 1032 Hyman Manufacturing, Urbana, Ohio. I don't know if you can see that, but these are like little smaller versions of the same thing. And then there's also these, which are they're not threaded, right? So they're transfer punches, but they're not threaded. Hey, $20. It's a pretty good deal. These are normally 50 US or 35 US, 50 Canadian per set. So I think if I use them once, they've paid for themselves, in my opinion. But I don't know when I'm going to use them.